Hey y'all, this is Boone from Mannery Farms. I'm gonna get over here in the shade. And we got some hay down today, and I haven't showed you guys yet, but we got a new to us baler. It's a 459 John Deere baler, 4x5 baler, obviously. It's basically just a backup baler, or for whenever we do custom baling jobs only, we have two balers, something like that, or some have the other one, you know. So we're gonna go bale some hay with it today, and I baled some the other day, baled 35 bales. So everything seems to work pretty well. We'll go ahead and get started. Let's go fuel up the tractor and then head that way.